Many Facebook users are facing an issue where the lock at 2x speed option in Facebook Reels is not showing. And if you are also experiencing this problem, don't worry because it's not your phone's fault and it can be fixed easily. First, the most common reason is using an outdated version of the Facebook app because Facebook frequently updates new features and old versions may not support them. So go to the Play Store or App Store, search Facebook, and update it to the latest version. Then restart the app and check the Reels section again. If the option is still missing, the second solution is to log out of your Facebook account and log back in, because many Facebook features are released gradually account-wise, meaning some accounts get new features earlier than others, so relogging refreshes your account settings on Facebook servers. The third important point is that if you are using Facebook Lite, you must switch to the original Facebook main app, because Facebook Lite does not support all advanced Reel features, including speed lock options, so uninstall Lite if needed and install the normal Facebook app. Another helpful tip from my side is to clear the Facebook app cache from your phone settings, because corrupted cache files sometimes prevent new features from appearing properly. So go to your phone settings, open Apps, select Facebook, tap Storage, and clear cache. Then reopen the app and check Reels again. Also, make sure your phone system is updated, because outdated Android or iOS versions may cause compatibility issues with new Facebook features. You can also try joining the Facebook beta program from the Play Store, as beta versions often receive new features earlier than the stable version. Additionally, ensure you have a stable internet connection while using Reels, because slow or unstable networks may fail to load new interface options. Finally, if none of these solutions work, you can report the issue directly to Facebook through the Report a Problem option in Settings, which helps Facebook detect and fix bugs faster for your account. Now, if after doing all these steps the feature still doesn't appear, Facebook rolls out features through server-side updates, and sometimes it takes time before new options become available for every region and every account. So don't panic, your app is fine, your phone is fine, and the feature will appear automatically once Facebook completes the update cycle. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and follow for more simple tech fixes and tutorials.